With the NSF Career Award, I focused on the development of small protein molecules in the method called protein origami. So it's a molecular version of doing the origami using very small biological molecules, proteins. And in this project, we'll study the interactions between protein molecules and develop a new method of doing the origami to create very small scale biological materials with genetically programmable functions. Receiving NSF Career Award is very important to me because it's going to provide the support of my research and education in the next 5 years. So the support will really greatly help me to establish my research foundation toward different directions in solving a variety of problems in engineering, and then also educate students at K-State in multidisciplinary principles at the interface between chemical engineering and biology and the material science.